Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Programming with a Purpose. In this video, I'm going to show you how to display video in real world using RealityKit and ARKit. This tutorial can be used to build purposeful apps such as a virtual museum where we can look into each object and its information can be presented inside a short video in real world. Virtual tours and providing shopping information of different objects in malls and grocery stores can also be its application. You can build a virtual TV with the help of this tutorial. All you need is to add image recognition as a first step and then play relevant video when that object is detected. So let's see how to build a simple video app using ARKit and RealityKit with the help of this tutorial. So guys, you can see here is the link from where you can download the sample videos. One of the video I've used in my testing purposes. You can use any other video if you like. I will post the link in the description box. After you have downloaded the video, add it to your project and do not forget to check the mark add to targets. So just like my previous video, we have added an image and text material. So here we are going to create a video material. All of the steps are pretty much the same. We have just created a URL with the video that I've already shown how to add to the project with its extension. After that, I have created an AV player. I have created a video material with that player. After that, I have created a model entity with a box that is going to show the video. And after that, I have played the video. I've set its Z position and its parent, and then I have set it to as an anchor to ARView.scene. After that, I have returned that view. That view is being displayed using content view. Extended line number 36, you can adjust the position of x, y and z coordinate of model entity in real world as you like. As a last step, do not forget to update the info.plist file with the relevant permissions, having privacy, camera usage description. So you can see that here the video is visible inside the simulator. And now we are going to play the video inside the real device, iPhone 13 Pro. So guys, I hope you have found this video useful. In order to make helpful videos for you in future, please subscribe to this channel and do not forget to share and like this video. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.